Hi. Welcome back to another episode. Please subscribe to our channel and support us. This week, we will cover the topic: all candlestick chart patterns in stock market. You might be an intraday trader or an investor. Trust me, this topic will be a good learning for you to prosper in stock market. Don't miss it. Introduction to Japanese candlestick. A Japanese candlestick is a type of price chart that shows the opening, closing, high, and low price points for each given period. Today, Japanese candlestick charts are the most popular way to quickly analyze price action. How to read Japanese candlestick patterns. To read Japanese candlestick patterns, you'll need to familiarize yourself with three elements. They are its color, body, and wick. Color tells you the direction of movement within the period. Green candlesticks indicate upward movement, and red ones indicate a downward move. Body displays the market's opening and closing levels. On a green candle, the top of the body is the close, and the bottom is the open. On a red candle, top of the body is the open, and the bottom is the close. The wick, or shadow, shows the high and the low range. Note on time frames. Some of the popular time frames that technical analysts uses are 1. Monthly charts. 2. Weekly charts. 3. Daily or end-of-day charts. 4. Intraday charts. It can be further classified into 30 minutes, 15 minutes, and 5 minutes. In a 5-minute chart, each candle represents the open, low, high, and close for 5 minutes. Similarly, a monthly chart represents the opening price on the first day of the month, the highest price at which the stock traded during the entire month, the lowest price at which the stock traded during the entire month, the closing price on the last day of the month. In a monthly chart, there will be 12 candles for the entire year. Why candlestick patterns are important? Candlestick patterns are important tools in technical trading. Understanding candlestick patterns allows traders to interpret possible market trends and form decisions from those inferences. The best way to learn to read candlestick patterns is to practice entering and exiting trades from the signals they give. Candlestick patterns. Candlesticks can be broken down into single candlestick pattern and multiple candlestick patterns. Single candlestick pattern. These are some of the simplest patterns you can find, comprising just one trading period. Often, they form the building blocks of longer patterns. One. The Marubozu. Marubozu means a candlestick that has no wick whatsoever. Whenever the open is equal to low and high is equal to close, a bullish Marubozu is formed. The trade setup with bullish Marubozu. Green Marubozu is an indication of clear bullish sentiment. The buying price should be around the closing price of the Marubozu, or at the opening of next candle. If the markets move in the opposite direction, you should exit the stock if price breaches the low of the Marubozu. And your profits should be always higher than 1 to 3. Bearish Marubozu. Bearish Marubozu indicates extreme bearishness. Here, the open is equal to the high, and close is equal to low. The trade setup with bearish Marubozu. Bearish Marubozu indicates that there is so much selling pressure in the stock. The buying price should be around the closing price of the Marubozu, or at the opening of next candle. If the markets move in the opposite direction, you should exit the stock if price breaches the low of the Marubozu. And your profits should be always higher than 1 to 3. Are you finding difficulty in identifying Marubozu candlesticks? Go to tradingview.com and open your favorite stock chart. In Indicators section, you can find Candlestick Patterns. Select All Candlestick Patterns, or you can select Marubozu Candlestick Pattern separately from the list. If you are selecting All Candlestick Patterns, remove Default Patterns and only select Marubozu Black and Marubozu White Candlestick Patterns. All the candlestick patterns are updated in the live market, and you can use this tool even for intraday. We will continue the topic on candlestick patterns in the next episode. Stay tuned. Thank you for watching.